Welcome to the PlanEdge video training series. This video looks at stairs. What we're now going to do is to create a staircase, and again we're going to use the layout blocks to do this. So we're going to select the medium block, which is the default is 0.8 by 0.8 for your usual staircase, and we're going to snap that to this wall. If the stairs are wider, then obviously just resize in the same way as we did with all the other layout block examples we've done. So we're going to get this to the 0.8, and we're going to snap them onto this wall, and we're going to have the bottom step along this wall here, and we're going to drag the layout block so that we can have the stairs going all the way up the wall. So to draw the stairs in, the stairs are done with the stairs icon, so we're going to tap that, and we're going to tap the standard stairs. And what will happen is that you'll get the 4 different stair icons along the bottom. So we've got normal set of staircase, a stair cut, a standard square landing stair, and our turning stair. So we're going to start by selecting the standard stairs, and if we go into where the layout block line is, then what we do is we simply tap, and it will draw us the staircase. Now if you tap again, it will rotate these stairs, so you can have those going up the other way, and the taps just rotate. To add a banister to the staircase that we've just drawn, it's a case of adding a subwall. So if we tap on the subwall icon, then we'll get the option of being able to select these points to draw around the banister. So we're going to use the large subwall. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the points where the banister needs to start, and we're going to tap on the end, and we're going to tap to close it. And if we now look at the floor view, what we can see is that we've got a banister down the staircase. What we're now going to do is create a set of stairs that have a turn in them. So what we need to do here is we're going to delete this set that we've already created. So we're going to go into droppables mode. We're going to go into staircase mode, and if we tap the stairs, we'll see that they highlight, and we can delete those. And what we also want to do is delete this banister. So if we go into the subwall icon, we can select the subwall or banister, and we can now delete that. Just a little note with regards to stairs, you can only delete stairs that are directly over a layout block. So if you have some stairs, and if we just put this in here quickly, and what you then do is the layout block is moved or deleted, then what will happen is when we go back into the stair section, you can't select these stairs to delete them. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that the layout block exists over them. So it doesn't have to be exactly in place, it can be slightly off, just so you've got something to select the stairs against. So you'll see now the layout block only overlaps a little bit. But now what you can do is you can select the stairs, and what you can then do is you can delete them. So to create a new set of stairs, to put a stair turn in that, or an angle steps turn in there, what we're going to do is use the same layout block we had before, and what we're going to do is we're going to have the steps coming up with a turn in this corner. So we're going to select this layout block and make it a little bit longer, and that effectively makes it go from one wall to the other. And what we're then going to do is we're going to create a new layout block. So if we tap on this, then it would be exactly the same size as the one that's selected. And this is good if you change the width of the block and you want to match that between one set of stairs and the others. So we're going to rotate that round, and we're going to put that into the corner, and we'll just resize that a little bit. So what we've now got is effectively a layout of where the stairs are going to go around this corner of the room. So as you can see here, the layout blocks have overlapped. What this does is this creates effectively separate layout block spaces, So we've got 2 blocks, but because of that overlap we've got 3 separate spaces. This now allows us to, from within the stair selection, to be able to add various different stairs into each section. So a straight up set of stairs here, they don't go into this overlap area. And what we can then do is we can put a turning stair in here, and we just tap to change the rotation of that. And in the bottom stair here, what we'll then do is again tap and we'll add a set of stairs here. This effectively allows you to save some time, so you don't have to draw 3 layout blocks. You can just overlap the 2, and it gives you a quicker way of creating this staircase. So what we can do from here is we can add a banister. And again, we're going to do that by tapping on the subwall icon, and you can see the various points that we can select for that banister. So we'll select the big size subwall, and tap on that start point, and we're going to draw around there, tap on the end, and we've created ourselves a banister. Look on the floor view, and there we go. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll add an understairs cupboard here, and what we'll also do is add a stair cut. So what we need to do is to make these stairs slightly shorter, so that we can show the cupboard underneath them. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the stairs, so we're going to tap on the stairs icon, and we're going to select the stairs, and then what we'll do is we'll delete them. And the reason we're going to do that is that once stairs are in there, we can't make them shorter, so we need to delete and re-add. So what we need to do is we're going to add those stairs halfway along this current layout back wall. So we're going to select the layout blocks, I'm going to tap on this, and we're going to pull that back so that it's a bit shorter. And what we can now do is when we come to add the stairs, so we tap on the stairs icon, and we're going to add stairs into the space that we've created halfway along. So what we need to add now is a stair cut to indicate that these stairs go up above the cupboard that we're going to create. So we're going to tap on this icon here, which is the stair cut icon. And then as you see, if we zoom in a little bit, what we can now do is we can select any of those edges for the stair cut to go on. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap here, and that will put a stair cut at the top of the stairs. So now all we need to do is to put a door onto this subwall, and that will effectively show us that there is an understairs cupboard. So as that's a standard subwall, we can add a door. So we're going to tap, and we'll tap on the wall, drag the door to the right place and create the correct opening, a little bit of sizing, and then we've got a set of stairs with a stair cut and understairs cupboard. You'll also see on the stairs icon that we have the ability to add spiral staircases. So if we tap here, then we have the 2 options. We've got clockwise and anti-clockwise spiral stairs. They don't need to have a layout block inserted to add them, so we can drag them anywhere on the plan. We can resize them as with all droppables, and we can place them and rotate them anywhere within that room space. For more information and videos, visit planedge.co.uk.